Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find PayPal fees. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Of course, you can also go and download the application from the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have. And then all you need to do is go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, here we have the home, send, wallet, activity, and help options. We have the send and request and other different things here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find PayPal fees. So first of all, what you need to do is on the top of your screen, go to activity. So you have your screen, you have home, send, wallet, and activity. You need to go and click on activity. Then find the specific transaction you want to check and click on it. So basically, when you have transactions, they will be here. At the moment, I don't have any, that's why this is empty for me. But when you have some on the stack, you can just go and click on check and click on it. Add the button of any PayPal page and click fees. Additionally, if you need a calculate fees for sending or receiving money through PayPal, you can use the PayPal free fee calculator. Here's how. Type in the amount money you want to send or receive, choose your country and currency, pick the fee rate that matches your situation, and click calculate. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to this channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.